the same thing. If the coal in Kitui was used, it is the same thing. What is this thing about the center? And these ones who have always have it, we will not accept that. This is not right. It is not fair. It's not acceptable. We cannot be allowed to be pushed to the periphery every time. What is 316 billion? It is nothing. When you get billions and trillions from the national government, and you still talk about these areas. Mr. Speaker, sir, these 2 years is nothing. It is a waste of time. As Senator from Makueni said, you want to kill us, the knife is there. Do it. Stop talking other politics here. Stop talking about this or that. We have had enough. We are tired.
Let's consult in low tones, Senator.
We are tired. We will not keep quiet throughout our lives. To be threatened, to be told you are being fed, that you come from areas with nothing, that there are only trees there. Come on. If you remove those areas of the so-called landmass, you don't want it, how will the map of Kenya look like? Show us the map of Kenya. It will be, if these people who say they have all the numbers and they don't need these areas, then they are free to do whatever they want. Give us federalism, release us if you so wish. But this is not what we will accept. This is not what we were envisaging when we were talking of Kenya as one. I'm wearing this tie today, Mr. Speaker. This is the flag of Kenya. And nobody can intimidate me. Nobody can tell me that you don't produce this or you don't produce that. The money which everybody is trying to brag about comes from Nairobi. 60% comes from Nairobi. 30% comes from Isli. Okay? And then you are told you don't produce anything. 2 years down the road, it is not going to help us. Whether it's 2 years, whether it is 5 years, I oppose it, and I oppose it to the last bit of my breath. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Musuruve, then